we're diving into the trendy color of kitchen cabinets and spending time to answer to this question: why is color so important in interior design, especially when it comes to the kitchen in 2025? Color should not only reflect the mood you want to create, but also align with overall style and proportions of your space. A strong shift toward warm, earthy tones with deep olive green leading the way. It brings a sense of calm and nature to the heart of the home, while still feeling modern and timeless. Whether paired with wood, stone, or matte black accents without overwhelming the space. As an architect, I believe this is essential to maintain a balance between color, appropriate kitchen style, kitchen dimensions, and current trends. Okay, now let's talk about the trending colors for kitchens in 2025.
Warm neutrals and earthy tones. Warm earthy shades like white, warm gray, cream, and warm brown are inspired by nature and soil. These colors evoke a sense of comfort, grounding, and warmth, making space feel inviting and cozy, perfect for walls. Adds depth and richness. They pair beautifully with greenery, dark accents, or metallics. Work beautifully in several parts of the kitchen: cabinetry, countertops, flooring, backsplash. Deep green and forest shades refer to rich, darker shades of green that evoke the feeling of dense woods. These greens dark to medium dark tone, meaning they are closer to black to the brightness scale, but still maintain their green identity, giving a rich, natural look rather than a bright or neon effect. Emotional and symbolic characteristics. 1. Calmness and stability. Deep greens evoke feeling of calm, balance, often linked with nature and forests. 2. Growth and prosperity. These colors symbolize life, growth, and fertility, reinforcing the connection to plants and trees. 3. Sophistication and luxury. Can also convey richness and elegance. Now let's talk about best parts of using deep green or forest shades in kitchen design, in cabinetry, accent wall, island, or lower cabinets, accessories and decors.
Make sure to check out my other videos focused entirely on color psychology. Navy blue. Classic navy blue is a deep, timeless, and elegant shade of blue that evokes a sense of tradition, authority, and confidence. Acts almost like a neutral in design, pairing well with many colors, works well with both warm tones like beige or gold and cool tones like gray or icy blue. Kitchen design secrets using classic navy blue. Use classic navy for lower or full height cabinets to add depth and elegance. A navy backsplash or accent wall behind open shelves creates a striking focal point without overwhelming the space. Works well with white or light colored tiles to brighten and balance the dark tone. Navy blue combined with neutral woods like walnut softens the look and adds warmth. Avoid too many dark elements to keep the space from feeling cramped.